When the weekend arrives, all I can think about is sewing. Yes, I'm obsessed with it. Just like how we get obsessed with our crush. Good thing is, this won't reject me. I want to use this weekend productively by making a dress because I'll be wearing it to a dreamy destination. So I'm gonna quickly have some breakfast and tea and get to work. Also, if you're wondering, I'm currently watching Superstore on Netflix. It's a good time pass.
Today, my Pinterest board screams maxi dress inspiration. So that's what we're gonna do. I also realized I don't have a maxi dress, so it's a perfect reason to make one. I'm using this hot pink pretty cotton fabric which has kanta details on it. This is from Fabriclore. They sent it for a collab and I did not have the heart to cut it. I guess today is the day. I think I showed this fabric in Fabriclore haul. So I have around 5 meters of fabric, so that is pretty sufficient to make a maxi dress. So let's get going.
First thing first, I cut out tiers for the dress. Use this template and calculate based on your measurements and cut out 3 tiers. And for the length of the tier, you're gonna measure from the waist till the floor, divide it by 3 and then add 1.5 inch of seam allowance, and that will give you the length of your tier. My dress will have a lot of volume. You can always multiply it by 1.5 as well. But I wanted it to have a lot of flair so that I can feel way too girly and twirl around as much as possible. For the bodice of the dress, I have literally used the pattern that I traced from the top I already have. Cut out the main fabric and also the lining fabric. And then cut out 4 straps because I'll be making it as a tie-up straps. Lining is optional if you have a thick fabric. I personally prefer having lining because it gives a nice shape to the dress. And for the below part of the dress, I cut out a lining similar to the A-line skirt pattern. Once everything is cut out, it's time to attach the front panel of the main fabric and also the lining fabric. And for the back panel, I'm gonna sew the darts on the main fabric and also the lining fabric. This pink is so bright, I feel like I'm gonna pop up in all my vacation photos. Pastel era in my life is slowly fading and I'm so into bold colors. Solid colors complement Indian skin so well, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. Time to make those straps. First fold it and then sew it on the edge. Do the same thing with all the 4 straps. Using safety pin, turn it inside out just like your feelings. Do the same thing with the other 3 straps as well. After that, take out the front body's main fabric and place the straps as shown in the video, and then place the lining on it and sew on the sides, armhole, neck, all the way till the other side. Do the same thing on the back bodies as well. Snip it around the neck and armhole for the clean finish and turn it around. Now place the back bodice on top of the front bodice and stitch the sides. Time to try it and see if it fits fine. This is how it ended up looking like. So far it looks good and I feel like I should make a top like this which I can wear it with jeans, skirts and even with saris, I guess. I'm starving, so I'm gonna have lunch now. I did the meal prep yesterday because I did not wanted to waste time today. So I quickly made rotis and had it with bangan ka barta. I have started liking the characters in the show Superstore. They're all so different in their own way and somehow have fun at workplace. I'm missing those good old days when I used to have fun with my peeps. After a good lunch, I'm back at sewing and I can't wait to finish this dress. Let's make the below part of the dress now. Sew a basting stitch on all 3 tiers. For the basting stitch, keep the stitch length to the maximum and the tension at 6. This setting will automatically create slight gathers. In the evening, my friend came home with souvenirs from her vacation. She also got green tea and fabric. She clearly knows me well. I immediately brewed some tea and had it while chatting with her. Later, I prepared her favorite spaghetti, we had dinner, and she left after a while. Me and my husband watched Spider-Man movie and called it a day. I first added dart at the front of the lining and then the back of the lining. After that, sew the front and the back on the sides. I so badly wanted to finish the dress today, so I had no mood to cook and I'm always craving for pizzas, so ordered it from Domino's. That's why I have a love and hate relationship with Domino's. Align the second tier with the first tier and sew it, and then align the third tier with the second tier and sew it. This is what it looks like once it is done. It looks so pretty, like a flower. Now place this on lining and align it around the waist and sew it. It started drizzling in the evening and the weather was gloomy, but that did not stop me from being productive. Now let's see how the below part of the skirt looks like. Oh my god, I'm in love. When I'm sewing, I go through a lot of emotions like happy, calm, anger, irritated, and today it's love. The next step is to sew the bodice to the below part of the dress around the waist. After that, I sewed the zipper on the back of the dress. and then I sewed it from the zipper end till the dress end. And the last step is to double fold the edges of the lining and the main fabric, and the dress is ready. I wore it to Cappadocia and experienced the magical hot air balloon while watching the sunrise.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you